We're calling the cops. I got everything. I'm filming this now. So are you discriminating against my nationality, my right to bank here? My First Amendment, Fourth Amendment, are you discriminating? Not break my automobile! Oh, damn it!
And don't forget to hit like and subscribe, or the dogs get it.
Well, she's calling the cops.
Hi, this is Carmen out of Vacation to work.
Okay.
To go get property education. He is now video recording me, indicating that I am violating his rights and he will not leave our business.
Don't take me like that.
I do not know him. He's been here before, but I am not familiar with him.
No kidding. That's what I've been wanting to do for a long time.
So he's on the phone with the county saying he's suing me. So I just need him to open my banking center, pretty much.
Well, probably needs to be educated. Most likely educated.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Well, the cops should be here in a few minutes. And I've been coming here for like years, and they all of a sudden don't know me now.
Precisely.
Okay. Well, I got plenty of minutes on my phone. And I have a camcorder. I always keep a camcorder with me just in case BS happens. No, just withdraw some money from my account. Yes. Oh, I have a saving account. No, I never used a bank card ever.
You should really try a bank card. It's fantastic. You can just, get the money without any questions, and the machine will even pretend that you're Moorish.
Okay, let me see. Well, they're not going to do anything, but it's time for an education. Yeah, but I need a bank card. Where do I get a bank card? No, never had a bank card in my life. Yeah, she said I need a valid ID. Yeah. So they should be on their way, and it's taking longer than usual. But it doesn't matter. Got everything open. We can. I just put this on YouTube. I just put this on YouTube and let everybody know. Been coming here for years. You didn't have to show ID. Now all of a sudden I need to show ID. Yeah, my ride is waiting for me. I should have been gone already. This is why I need a car.
Walks into a bank, but refuses to show valid ID. He claims his Moorish nationality gives him full access. The staff asked for proper identification anyway. He starts arguing and questioning their authority. Tension quickly begins to rise.
No. Yeah.
You are not authorized to use that camera in our banking center.
Is that so? Under what law?
Authorization to
Under what law?
You do not have
Is
authorization.
that law or policy? Is that law or policy? I've been coming here for years without a problem, and now I have a problem. Yeah. First Amendment protected right. Remember that. Time for an education. Yeah, I'm still waiting for the cops. They're taking their time coming here. All I want is to withdraw my money out of my account. That's all I want to do. Been doing it for months and Sundays without a problem.
Everybody's good.
Well, she's behind a 3-inch thick plastic.
You got me.
And I'm only filming her.
I wanna take 850. Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll be right back, okay?
Okay, what is it?
She's the supervisor.
What's that? What?
Yes.
You got it.
Nope, she haven't shown me anything. She keeps saying ID, valid ID, state ID. I was here last month without a problem. Why don't you show me some documents that's saying that I need a license ID card when I came here last month and before that and the month before that without any problem. You do know I have an account here. Oh, she's ignoring me now.
You would make a laugh out of this. What would we do without you?
All I want is to withdraw my money out of my account and go on about my business, and I'm still here. My ride is waiting for me outside. And it's taking a long time for the cops to get here. They're supposed to be here by now.
Would you turn the power?
Well, I tried to. She said ID. I want to see ID. That's all she keeps saying.
I know, I ain't got time.
Yeah, I also showed her my ID. She don't know anything about it. So, she want you. She just want to do it. She want to do anything.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. You're welcome.
I have her account here. You want to see it?
Yeah. You just turned it on. It was turned off.
You want to see my account number? Oh. She's not saying anything. She's ignoring me. Had a problem like this. Never. For years, never had a problem.
All right, if you could just sign that for me, please.
Yeah, they sure is. Holding my money. It's been 12 minutes and the cop still's not here. They're supposed to be here like in 3 minutes, 2 minutes, but they're still not here.
5, 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8, 8. Be your tip.
Citing constitutional rights, accuses the bank of discrimination against him. The employee stays calm and avoids arguing. Instead, they decide to call the police. The situation starts getting more serious.
Tell your superior to come here. I need to talk to her.
I'm sorry?
Tell your superior to come over here. I need to talk to
She's
her.
back here conducting some work for us, so she'll come over in just a second, okay?
I have her account here. I've been withdrawing money and doing business here for
I
years.
understand your position. I understand.
It's some bank teller. Maybe they're on a different shift right now. Yeah, but it's been a long time. Like over a year.
Hello.
So,
Hi.
What's going on?
what's your name and your badge number?
I'm Officer Hines, badge number 57.
Okay, I'm trying to withdraw money from my account, and they're saying that my Moorish ID card is not valid, so my attorney, because I have him on the phone right now. It's on speakerphone now.
Oh, hello, sir? I'm good. What's going on today? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what their policy is. Apparently they have a policy on which form of IDs they'll accept and what forms they will not, and I can't tell them what their policy is. But if he's in here causing a disturbance or they don't want him to be here, he's going to have to leave.
I've been coming here.
Okay, all right, well, let me talk to the management here and see how they want to handle it. Obviously, this is their grounds and this is their property, so if they don't want somebody on their property, they have to leave. But let me see what they want to do or see if I can get this resolved so that everybody's happy, okay? All right. There you go, buddy.
Is there any other financial needs we can help you with today?
Never had a problem like this before.
And can we delete that video?
We can't
No,
do
we
that.
cannot.
It's a First Amendment protected right. Can't delete
Okay,
it.
listen, the bank wants you to leave their property now. So
Yeah,
you're gonna have to leave
say
or you
the
could be
bank-
arrested for trespassing.
Yeah, they're telling me I need to leave now.
Mr. Studstill, you gotta go.
Yeah, they're telling me they're going to arrest me for trespassing, and I just came here.
There was something smaller than 100.
Let's talk outside. Come on.
All 20s.
Can you give me documentation on why you're refusing my nationality card?
She wants you to leave. She's not going to do that. If you want to talk with the corporate office or something like that, you can, but this particular branch doesn't want you on the property right now, so we have to go. Okay? Let's go,
Oh,
please.
they're telling me to
Mr.
leave.
Studstill, you have to start moving, please.
So, what's the next best thing now? Because they're telling me
You have to move from the premises. Start walking.
okay.
Thank you.
Well,
Take 2 tickets in front.
Hope you're not driving. I know you don't have a license.
he said, hope you're not driving because you don't have a license. Well, do not break my automobile. Oh, damn it! Yep, that's both threatening me with arrest.
No press, bud.
All right, Mr. Studstill, have a good day, sir.
Oh, what now?
They explain the bank has its own policies. No valid ID means no withdrawal. Simple rule. He's asked to leave the property immediately. Refusal could lead to trespassing charges.